Hello my dear students, welcome back to another class of Math Wizard. We were discussing the topic arithmetic progression, right? This is my third video for arithmetic progression. Hope all of you watched my previous videos, part 1 and 2 of arithmetic progression. If you didn't watch it yet, please watch those videos for the better understanding of the lesson. I will provide the link for those videos in the description box. Before going to the lesson, just take a quick review of last class. We learned nth term of an AP is n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. And sum of n terms Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l. Okay? You should always remember these equations. Now let's solve some important previously asked questions in the board exam. So get ready with your paper and pen and try to answer along with me. Question number 1. If nth term of an AP is given by minus 4n plus 15, find the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP. Here the nth term is given, which is an equals minus 4n plus 15. So the first term a1 is equal minus 4 plus 15, which is equals 11. Now 20th term is a20 equals minus 4 into 20 plus 15, which is equals minus 80 plus 15, which is minus 65, which is the last term. So the first and last term is known. So we can use the equation for sum of n terms Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. Now apply the values of n, a, n, l to this equation. So sum of 20 terms S20 equals 20 divided by 2 into 11 plus minus of 65. 11 plus minus of 65 means 11 minus 65, right? So, which is equals minus 54. So S20 equals 10 multiplied by minus 54, which is equals minus 540. That's the sum of the 20 terms of the given AP. Understood? Go to another question. Question number 2. The 18th term of an AP is 30 more than its 8th term. If 15th term of the AP is 48, find the AP. In this question, the 18th term is given by comparing to another term A8, and 15th term also given, right? We know the nth term n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So A18, what is the A18? Which is equals a plus 17d. 18 minus 1 is 17, right? Okay. The 18th term is given as it is 30 more than 8th term, right? So we can rewrite A18 as A8 plus 30. So A8 plus 30 equals a plus 17d. We know what is A8. A8 is a plus 70, right? So we can rewrite this as a plus 70 plus 30, which is equals a plus 17d. Here a is cancelled from both sides. 7d and 17d from both sides become 17 minus 7 is 10, right? So it become 10d on right hand side. So d equals 30 divided by 10, which is equals 3. The 15th term also given in the question, which is 48, right? What's the question for 15th term? A15 equals a plus 14d. So 48 equals a plus 14 into 3. So a equals 48 minus 42, which is equals 6. Now A and D are known, so we can find the AP. The general form of the AP is, we know already, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. right? So the given AP is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, then plus 3, 12, 15, 18, etc. This is the given AP. Another question. Okay? Question number 3. If pth, qth and rth term of an AP are A, B and C respectively, then show that A minus B into R plus B minus C into P plus C minus A into Q equals 0. Here the pth, qth and rth term are A, B and C. So we can write the equations for these terms. We know nth term is n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of pth term is given as small letter a, right? So to avoid confusion, in this answer I am going to use capital A for the first term. So we can write the equation for pth term as a plus, capital A plus p minus 1 into d, which is equals a, right? Then qth term is a plus q minus 1 into d, which is equals b, and rth term is a plus r minus 1 into d, which is equals c. The question is, you have to prove a minus b into r plus b minus c into p plus c minus a into q equals 0. So we can start from the left hand side, LHS. You may directly apply the values of A, B and C to this equation. But it becomes a very long and complicated equation which may be confusing to you while solving the problems. Okay, so I'm going to solve this equation part by part. First, find the value of A minus B. Apply the values of A and B so that A minus B is equals A plus p minus 1 into d minus a plus q minus 1 into d. Take more care while placing the brackets. If you miss one bracket, the entire answer will change. So take more care. While solving this, we can see in the first part capital A is positive and the other part A is negative, right? So A and minus A are cancelled and D is common for both P minus 1 and Q minus 1. So we can take it outside. So it became P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 whole multiplied by D. Here the minus is common for Q and minus 1. So minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 also cancel. So the final answer P minus Q into D. So A minus B equals P minus Q into D. You can just number this equation as number 1. Now find B minus C in the same way, which is A plus Q minus 1 into D minus A plus R minus 1 into D. Again A and minus A are cancelled. D is common, so it became outside. So it became Q minus 1 minus R minus 1 into D, which is equals Q minus R into D, which is the equation number 2. Same way we can find C minus A, which is A plus R minus 1 into D minus A plus P minus 1 into D, which is equals R minus 1 minus P minus 1 into D. A and A are cancelled, okay? So C minus A equals R minus P into D, which is the third equation. Now apply these three equations in the LHS of the question. So A minus B into R plus B minus C into P plus C minus A into Q equals P minus Q into D into R, and B minus C is Q minus D into R into D multiplied by P plus C minus A is R minus P into D multiplied by Q. Okay, so just remove the brackets so that it become P into dr minus Q dr plus Q dP minus R dP plus R dQ minus P dQ. Okay? Look at this equation here. PDR and RDP are same, right? But the order is changed. So PDR and minus RDP equals 0. Same way, QDR and RDQ are same. So one is plus and the other is minus. So it becomes also 0. And QDP and PDQ also same. So it's also become 0. So the final answer is 0, which is the right hand side of our question. So LHS equals RHS, hence proved. This question is repeatedly asked for different public exams, so please note down the answer and study very well, okay? Now go to another question. Find the sum of terms of the AP minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, etc. 21. If 1 is added to each term of this AP, then find the sum of all the terms of the AP thus obtained. Okay. First we write down the given values. First term A is minus 12. Last term N equals 21. And D equals minus 9 minus of minus 12, right? Which is minus 9 plus 12, which is equals 3. We know nth term N equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Apply the values of A, N and D in this equation. It becomes 21 equals minus 12 plus N minus 1 into 3. So which is equals 21 plus 12 equals N minus 1 into 3. So 21 plus 12 is 33, right? So 33 divided by 3 equals N minus 1. 33 by 3 is 11, right? So N equals 11 plus 1, which is equals 12. So the number of terms N equals 12. This is the answer of our first question. Now what's the second question? Yes. If 1 is added to each term, then find the sum of AP. Okay, so if 1 is added to each term, what will happen? A become minus 12 plus 1, right? Which is minus 11. And N equals 21 plus 1, which is 22. We know the sum of n terms Sn equals n by 2 into A plus An. Here n is 12. So sum equals 12 by 2 into minus 11 plus 22, which is equals 6 multiplied by 11, which is equals 66. Okay, clear? Hope you cleared all the problems. Solving more problems makes the video so lengthy. So try to solve more problems from your previous question paper by yourself, and if you have any doubts, you can inbox me. I will try to clear it for you. Hope all of you cleared all the problems very well. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like, share and share to your friends and subscribe my channel to get notification of my next uploading videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time with another topic. Bye bye.